My name is Mike Sutton. I'm a certified engineering technologist and I'm a mechanical designer. Growing up, I spent a lot of time playing with Lego and building things with my hands. I wanted to do something that involved those things. After I went to college for my first co-op, I came to Innovative Automation, fell in love with it, and realized that this is where I want to work. Depending on what stage I'm at in a project, I could be brainstorming solutions, making drawings, talking with builders to work through different issues on the shop floor. At the end, watching the machine running and running full production is extremely rewarding. Every day is different and every day there's a new challenge. I started here 7 years ago and I've been here ever since.
My name is Ainsley and I'm a controls programmer at Innovative Automation. Right now we're working on the shop floor, so this is where a controls programmer will get their hands on the actual product for the first time. They could spend some time offline prior to this where they would develop the program using simulation software. And then now that we're on the shop floor, we get to play with the actual robot and start to apply the programs that we've developed using the simulation. And then a significant portion after this point will be on site at the customer, making sure it actually runs once we get it there. A typical day at Innovative is kind of atypical. It's never really the same, which is one of the things that I like about working here because every single job we work on is different. The fact that every day is kind of like a puzzle, and when you get to solve the puzzle, it feels really good.
My name is Paul Howe, and I am a mechanical build group leader at Innovative Automation. As a mechanical build group leader here, we get to see a finished product. We get to, from start to finish, design and build something and actually see it in operation and producing parts and keeping our customers happy. It makes for a pretty exciting environment. As you can see right here, I'm doing some development work on this hot insert machine that we built for one of our primary customers. This machine installs inserts into a plastic part and heats the inserts up before pressing them into place, as well as doing some measurement and making sure that we're producing a good part for the customer.
My name is Dylan Pierce and I'm working in the electrical build department at Innovative Automation. A typical day in the electrical department can range very much from anything from planning and organizing a job to setting up cable tray, machining, running cables and terminating cables, as well as pre-shipping. So there's lots of stuff that can go on a typical day in our department. What I like most about working here at Innovative is technology is always advancing. You're always learning every day about new technology and equipment, and we do hire a lot of co-op students here at Innovative. I think the most rewarding fact about working here is being able to help those co-op students and share that information with them and help them progress as well.